This video will show you how to use the Auto Disable feature in ActiveWords Options. When an executable file is defined in the Auto Disable tab, ActiveWords will not monitor text or trigger actions when the defined program is in focus. This is particularly useful when you are working in a remote access session where ActiveWords is installed on the remote host and you don't want to create a potential conflict. Accordingly, the default programs defined in the Auto Disable tab are remote access programs. You can define other programs using the Options dialog. You will want to remove a defined remote access program if ActiveWords is not installed on your remote host and you want to use your local ActiveWords installation to interact with the remote host. If you are using a local ActiveWords installation to interact with a remote host, you may need your network administrator to enable the Windows clipboard and/or Unicode support across the remote connection. Please see the Remote Access FAQ on the ActiveWords website support page for more information.